I'm Abby from Baby Birds Farm. Today I'm going to show you the new Ergo 360. It's designed to be worn with baby wearing out or in. First, I love the waistband because it wraps around. There's no buckle or knot that's tying into your waist, so I find it the most comfortable out of all the carriers I have. The Velcro is really strong, but there's an extra little safety buckle, kind of like a just in case. Next, you take a cute baby. Hi! Hi!
You baby, the mirror.
Thank you.
Here I am.
Thank you. You put on the straps. Then back here's a little buckle. You snap the little buckle. Does it taste good? And then pull the tights. Pull tight the straps. There, here she is. Does she look comfy? Now, to wear her facing forward, it's actually pretty easy. It's pretty much the same thing. The only one I really have them facing out when they're awake and happy and want to look out. Babies get stimulated pretty easy, so if they're overstimulated, if they're tired, you want to have them facing you. So it's pretty much the same thing. If you want, there's buttons where you can make it narrower, but I find that it works fine just in the same settings, so I pretty much leave it in the same position. Hi. Hi. Then again, it's the same process. It snaps. There. So what I like about this versus other forward facings is that it's still an ergonomic design. So her legs aren't at risk for hip dysplasia. They're facing out. Hi. Thanks everybody. See you later.